Hey everyone, welcome to our last video for our units for equations and inequalities notebook. So today we're going to look at translating statements or word problems into inequalities or equations and then solving them. So let's take a look at this one. You're going to go over this one with me and then you're going to do this one on your own, okay? So this is the inequality one and then the other one's an equation, all right? So this says 12 less than twice a number exceeds 4, okay? Okay, so we're going to first translate this and then we'll solve. So first off, we'll define our variable. That really relates more if you have like a word problem that has a specific thing, like talking about money or something like that. So I'm just going to say x is our variable, okay? And then we're going to set up the equation or inequality. In this case, it's an inequality because it doesn't say equal to or the same or is. So we're talking about inequalities. We first got to figure out how to translate this first part. So it says 12 less than twice a number. So remember, less than is a turnaround word. So what that means is it's going to go in the back. 12 is smaller than twice the number. So twice number means 2 times x. So 2x, and then what less than means subtract, and then 12. Now it says exceeds. So you have to think about, okay, what inequality symbol means exceed, or what does exceed mean? It means greater than, above. Okay, well, what symbol do we use for that? Greater than symbol. So I'm going to use greater than 4, because it says exceeds 4. So here we go, 2x minus 12 greater than 4. Okay, so use the distributive property to get rid of any parentheses. We don't have any, so I'm going to put none. Combine like terms separately on each side. We don't have any, so I'll put none. Eliminate the constant term from the side with the variable using addition or subtraction. So we're going to do that. So 2x minus 12 greater than 4. So we're going to get rid of the negative 12, and the opposite of that will be adding 12. So we're going to do that on both sides. All right, 2x is greater than negative 12 plus 12 cancels out. 4 plus 12 is 16. All right, now cancel the coefficient using multiplication or division. Now remember, when you multiply or divide by a negative number with inequalities, flip the inequality symbol around. In this case, though, we don't because it's positive 2. So 2x is greater than 16. So opposite of 2 times x is divide. So I'm going to divide 2 on both sides. And then 16 divided by 2 is 8. So x is greater than 8. So now it says check your solution by substitution. So I'm going to substitute it into our original inequality that we wrote. So 2 times, all right, now we got to think about it. Okay, it says x is greater than 8. So what number is greater than 8? First off, can I use 8? No, it doesn't say greater than or equal to. So a number greater than 8 is 9. So I'm going to just choose 9. Actually, I'm going to use 10 because 10 is easy to multiply by. And then minus 12 greater than 4. So it honestly doesn't matter what number you use as long as it's bigger than 8. 2 times 10 is 20, minus 12 is greater than 4. And now I subtract 20 minus 12 is 8, greater than 4. Is this statement correct? Yes, so that is true. It is correct. 8 is bigger than 4, so our answer is correct. Anything above 8. Now, if you were to graph the solution, you would put an open dot because, again, it is greater than at 4, and then we would go to the right because it is above 4. So anything, not above 4, 8, I'm sorry. Put a dot at 8. I was looking at the 4 here. Put a dot at 8 and then open circle because, again, we're not equal to. So open dot at 8 and go to the right above 8. So 9, 10, all the way above, okay? So that's how you would graph on a number line. And so your job is to do this one, negative 9 times the difference of, that should tell you you're going to have parentheses, twice a number and 3, is greater than or equal to. So this is got a greater than or equal to sign. So you should know that right away, to 9, okay? So negative 9 times the difference of, parentheses, twice the number, you should know what that means, and 3, difference of. So you should know that means subtraction in there, okay? And then greater than or equal to 9. And so you're going to have some distributing in there. Okay, so make sure you do the same steps and check your solution to make sure it works. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.